All right, so it says select the number that comes next in the sequence of numbers below. So they give you the numbers 8. I'm just gonna rewrite it. We have 8, 20, 26, 38, 44, and 56. All right, we can try, once the number is increasing, it's either addition or multiplication, right? So we could try addition. Here, they added 12. Here, 20 plus that. So they added 6 here. Let's see how many they added here. 12. And here, they added 38 plus 2, 6. So we can see the pattern, right? They add 12, then they add 6. So the last time they did was to add 6. So that means we're supposed to add 12. No, they add 12, add 6, add 12, add 6. So from 44. Oh, and then they added 12 again. So that means to get the next one, they have to add 6. So that would have been C. Let's move on. Examine the pattern below. Use it to answer item 22. The numbers in each diagram below. What is this? What is this? The numbers in each diagram below follow the same rule. Use the first 3 diagrams to help you find the missing number in the 4th diagram. So examine the pattern and then you can go ahead. I agree with that, Xavier. Good job. Returning go for your internet. The numbers in each diagram below follow the same rule. Use the first 3 diagrams to help you find the missing number in the 4th. Now there we have 3 and 4, and that give us 12, 5, and 6. So it's as if they are multiplying these 2 numbers. 3 times 4, that's 12. 5 times 6, 7 times 8, 56. So we need to know what number times 10 would give us 110. So we can just divide, right? And that is 11. That one wasn't bad at all. Usually those ones tend to be a bit difficult. All right, a box of 16 drinking glass fell. Some of them are broken. Which of the following number could not be the number of unbroken glasses? A box of 16 drinking glass fell. Some of them are broken. Which of the following numbers could not be? Well, 18 stand out because it's 16 already to start with, so it couldn't be 18. So that's pretty straightforward. Write down these clues, please, before we go down to the graph, right? So the clues are, Andre is neither the youngest nor the oldest. And this part, I think this part is the most important part, in my opinion. It says Sheena is older than Matthew, but neither younger nor older than Shane. That means Sheena and Shane should be the same age. So that's what we're looking for, right? For Sheena and Shane to be the same age, and that would be D. So this one was a kind of a giveaway because they said both of them is neither older. Well, let me see. What exactly they phrase it? Yeah, Sheena is older than Macho, but neither younger nor older. If you and somebody is neither younger nor older, it means that you're the same age. So that was the giveaway. So it would have been D. Pretty straightforward, I would say. All right, let's move on to 25. Jordan estimated the number of people in the stadium to be 42,000. Which of the following numbers could not be the actual number of people in the stadium? A, 42,030, B, 42,750, C, 42,123, D, 42,430. Good luck with that one. All right. So it says which could not be the actual number. So again, the number is 42,000. So we know it's rounding off, right? So we just round it off to the nearest thousand and then whichever is out. If we round off 42,030, it will be 42,000, right? If we round off this, it will be 43,000. And the fact is because this passed 500, right? So this would be 42,000. And this will be 42,000 as well because it don't reach 500. So the one that would have been the answer would be B. Let's move on to 26. This one is similar to one that we did last week as well. Have fun with this one, guys. He said, Carlos, start off a number and perform the steps below. Use the steps that Carlos used to answer item 26. Step 1, multiply the number he thought of by 3. Step 2, add 12 to the result of step 1. Step 3, divide the result of step 2 by 4. And then step 4, subtract 6 from the result of step 3. After the following step, Carlos ended up with 3. What was the number he thought of? Is it 3, 6, 8, or 9? Have fun with that one. Take your time on this, guys. I want you to show the working how you get it, alright? Excellent job, guys. Every single person got it correct. That is learning. We do one similar on a previous paper. We went through it, we explained it, and everyone was able to get the correct answer showing all the steps. That is learning. All right. I'm so excited for September. Cause guys, today is the last mental for the summer school. All right. So next week you get a break, and then we start back September 1. So everybody try to get some rest and have fun. All right, let's go. So it says, Carlos start off a number and perform the steps below. Use the steps that Carlos used to answer item 26. I'm going to see if the next class if everybody can get it correct, just like you guys. Step 1, multiply the number he thought of by 3. Step 2, add 12 to the result of step 1. Step 3, divide the result of step 2 by 4. Step 4, subtract 6 from the result. After the following step, Carlos ended up with 3. So we're going to start with 3 that he ended up with, and we're going to do the opposite of whatever is happening. So we're going to start from step 4, go to step 1. So we have 3. It says subtract 6 from the result. So because the opposite of subtract is add, we're going to add 6. So we are at 9 now. On to step 3 now. It said divide the result of step 2 by 4. So because the opposite of divide is multiply, we're going to multiply by 4. And of course, 9 4s, 36. So here, we start at 36. It says add 12 to the result of step 1. So add 12, meaning we subtract 12 instead. So we are at 24. And the final step now, it says multiply. And the opposite of multiply is divide. So we're going to divide by 3. This one was excellent. Everyone got it correct. I'm so proud of you guys. Big up on the parents too, guys. All right, let's look at item 27. Examine the words closely, then select the correct sequence of their size. 1, country; 2, continent; 3, town; 4, parish. Good luck. All right, he said examine the words closely, then select the correct sequence in terms of size. All right, let's look at the options. So we have country, continent, town, parish, right? For A, it is saying parish should be at the front. No, parish is neither the smallest nor the largest, so we can eliminate those. Continent, that's the largest, right? So I'm going to see if we go. Continent first, then 1, which will be country, and then of course we have the parish, and then town. So I would go with B. Let's look at the others. C says 3, so you start at town. Town is neither the largest nor the smallest, so we can eliminate that. And of course, we start with 1, 2, 3, 4. They didn't change anything, and it's incorrect, so it's B. And it's arranged from the largest to the smallest. Now, they didn't say, they just say by size, right? So it can either be from the largest to the smallest or from the smallest to the largest. In this case, because continent is at first, that's the largest, right? And then, of course, you have the country and, of course, the parish. Like, for example, if you're in Kingston, Kingston will be the parish. And then probably I can say 1 town, half a tree. All right? And the country, of course, will be Jamaica. All right, let's move on to 28. Shari wants to find out how many toy blocks can fit in a cardboard box. What information is necessary for her to make this decision? A, the volume of the cardboard box. B, the total number of toy building blocks that she has. C, the thickness of the cardboard box. D, the area of the cardboard box. Read that one carefully and go ahead and answer. All right, Shari wants to find out how many building blocks. So, guys, first of all, you have to know what the building block is. You have to have the, all right? So, normally, them look like this. Different sizes, but the fact is they are 3D, right? And you can put them into each other and so forth. Just like the, what you call it? What you guys play? The Lego? You know, Papa's like name. Yeah, but a 3D. So it's because it's 3D, it means volume. If it was two-dimensional, like flat something, then it would have been area. So it's definitely the volume, all right? And the volume will tell us how much space it can occupy. So that one card, you guys, volume is a part of our syllabus. So we'll be doing that soon, guys. We have to do perimeter and area first. All right. Which number is the smallest? Good luck with this one as well. All right, so this is how we approach it, guys. We want to find the smallest fraction. All right, the first thing I would suggest that we do, see if the fraction can be reduced. In this case, 35 over 70 can be reduced because guess what? 35 can go into both of them. We could reduce it to a half, no? That's the first thing. 3/4 can be reduced. By 3. So this is 3/4. See it come together nicely? This can be divided by 10. So we get 5/6. And this as well. So you get 2/5. So guys, if you want to compare fractions, one of the easiest thing to do is find the lowest common multiple of the denominator. In this case, what would be the lowest number that two 4, 6, and 5 can go into? That will be 60, right? Couldn't be 30 because of the 4. All right, so 60. So 2 into 60 goes 30 times. So you multiply 1 by 30 to give you 30. All right, let's look at our next one now. 4 into 60 goes 15 times. So we multiply 3 times 15 to give us 45. So that one here of a 3/4. Look again, guys. Now we're gonna see 6 into 60, 10 times. 5 times 10, 50. Still not done yet. 5 into 60, 12 times 2, that's 24. So all you have to do now is just look at which number is the smallest. Definitely 24. Which fraction give us 24? 2/5. But what was 2/5 originally? 20 over 50. So the smallest fraction is this, D. Alright? You can also, let me tell you another way that you can do it. Two other way. You can convert it to decimal. I've shown you guys how to convert from fraction to decimal by dividing the numerator by the denominator. Or you can literally turn it into percentage by just multiplying by 100% and you compare it. So whichever way you're more comfortable with, you can do that, alright? A dog has 1 nose and 4 legs. 2 dogs have 2 noses and 4 legs. How many dogs are there if there are 48 legs and 12 noses? Alright, so it says a dog has 1 nose and 4 legs. 2 dogs have 2 noses and 8 legs. How many dogs are there if there are 48 legs and 12 noses? This is actually easy because it can go by the nose, right? In a reality too. So 1 dog, 1 nose, 2 dog, 2 noses. So if a 12 nose, 12 dogs. Pretty straightforward. All right, this one is pretty straightforward as well. The table below shows the distance 4 students live from school. Use this information to answer item 32 and 33. Which students live the furthest from school? We can do more than one, guys. I think that one here, pretty straightforward. No calculation needed. All right, go ahead and do 31 and then we'll see if we can get to 32. All right. Agree, Xavier. Good job. Agree, Nejon. Good job. Agree, Shanice. Good job. Let's go. That is it. Yeah, Dixon, that is it. Aquilio. Good job. This one is also correct. Good job, Jaim. All right. You guys are awesome. Our next class right now. All right. The table below shows the distance 4 students live from school. Use this information to answer item 31 and 32. Which students live the furthest from school? And of course, it will be the largest number, which is 2.8, which is Shakira. Look out for the video next in later, guys. So those who want to watch back the video, you can go ahead and watch it, all right?
Yes.
Take care. Great job, guys. Great job. Thank you guys for being awesome students over the summer. I'm looking forward to September, guys. Remember, we start September 1. Depending on your day, though, you must come September 1. It depends on which day you choose. For example, if your class is on a Friday, it would be the Friday after the first. You understand? So if it don't fall on the Friday don't fall on the first, it wouldn't be your class. But classes start on the first, whichever day that is. I not even know, but we just know so September 1. Alright, so keep working guys and look out for some more videos so you guys can keep occupied. And remember the book coming out in September, you will get it, alright? If you haven't ordered yet, please order because it's good. Can help you feel, keep working on your own independently. The parents now have to help you with it because there are examples, notes, and step by step on how you have to approach it. And of course, I'm gonna do them on videos as well, so you guys can get them privately. All right, so take care, guys. Have a next class now, and I'll see you guys September. All right. Yeah, man. Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care, everyone. See you September. All right.
Bye, sir.
Bye, guys. Deandra. Deandra gone? Oh, she gone already. I wanted to tell her about the one-on-one. She wanted one-on-one